Department of Energy, Secretary Garin was saying that there is a penalty of about 24 or 26 billion pesos because one of your companies supposedly did not fulfill its commitment of so many, I think 12,000, would that be, I think it's 12,000 megawatts of electricity. Which one is this, sir? Which company of yours? Because there are three. There's Solar Philippines, there's SPNEC that you're still a shareholder due because of Solar Philippines, and then there is Solar Para sa Bayan. Ito pong sinasabi ni Energy Secretary Garin that she canceled 17,000 megawatts from service firms, including 12,000 from Solar Philippines. That would be the mother company.
Unang-una po, napakataas ang aking respeto para kay Secretary Garin at ginagalang ko po siya, kaya ayaw ko pong sumagot directly tungkol sa kanyang mga pahayag dito sa isang media interview. Ako po ay pwedeng magbigay ng opisyal na pagkahayag tungkol dito sa tamang forum, pero I will answer your question generally, which is that I have shares in Solar Philippines, which has shares in SPNEC, which I am not involved in the day-to-day of, and I can leave it to the company involved to answer as appropriate regarding its communications with the DOE. But the undertaking, of course, is to be compliant with all of the laws and regulations, but that's, I think, best addressed by the company.
And which company is this?
Actually, sa totoo lang po, I'm not, again, actively involved in the company. So what the communications are with the DOE, I am not precisely privy to. It is something that I would like to look more into, but I am not involved actively anymore in the company.